if I want to know the velocity at t equals 8, I'm going to find the slope of the line. So I'm going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, remember slope of a line. So that's going to give me negative 40 over 5, which is negative 8. Don't forget, velocity has a direction. It is a vector. Next, we're going to look at the displacement for the whole trip. Displacement is also a vector, so therefore when you combine these numbers, you must keep the positives and negatives. You will get positive 28 meters. Distance, however, is a scalar. It does not have direction. Therefore, when you find the distance of the whole trip, all you're going to do is add up the numbers with no direction, meaning magnitude only. Also, do not include a direction on your answer. Average speed is total distance over the total time. So the distance we just found was 108 and the total time is 25 seconds. So when you do that, you get 4.32 meters per second. Average velocity, however, is a vector, so you're going to use the displacement that we found with the direction over the total time, and that gives you a positive 1.12 meters per second. Okay? The next question says, what is the first time the object returns to its starting position? So we started at negative 12. When does it return to negative 12? The first time it returns as t equals 9 seconds. Does it ever hit there again? Yes, right here at 20 seconds. Okay? So, next question says, what happens to the object's velocity at t equals 5 seconds? Okay, if you look at the graph, t equals 5 is right here. What changes at this point? Well, the velocity changes because the direction changes. It goes from a positive velocity to a negative velocity. So I change direction and I speed up. Okay? If you check with the values for each slope, you'll notice that this is slightly faster. What happens to the object's motion at t equals 10? Okay? If you look, t equals 10 is right here. The object has no velocity, meaning it stops moving. Okay? The next says, what is the distance from 0 to 10 seconds? Distance, remember, is a scalar, so all you do is add the magnitudes. 32 plus 40 is 72 meters. If I want to find the average speed from 0 to 10 seconds, take the distance we just found and divide by the time, which is 10. So you'll get 7.2 meters per second. And the last two questions. What is the displacement from 0 to 20? Well, at 20, we end up back at our starting location. So the displacement is 0 meters. So calculating the average velocity is really simple. 0 divided by anything is 0. I hope this helps you. Good luck.